What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Nico here, and in today's video, everybody, we are in downtown Cleveland, beautiful downtown Cleveland. Look at the skyline. Some people say it's a mistake in the lake, but I think it's very beautiful area where I grew up in. I grew up in the suburbs of Cleveland, not Cleveland directly, but close enough to where I can call Cleveland my home. And in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and be talking about a motorcyclist who is running from a GSP. If you do not know who GSP is, it is Georgia State Patrol. For those who don't know, Georgia State Patrol is notorious for they will chase you till the wheels fall off. They do not mess around. They pit bikes, everything. Now, there was a story that I saw a few days ago. It was actually a YouTube video. I'll put the link to the original video down below. Why don't you give them credit, because they're the ones that actually posted the original like dash cam footage. I can't think of the name off the top of my head. I think it was like State Boys or something like that. In Georgia, I from what I've been able to find, there actually wasn't too much in the story, and I don't know if that's like the, you know, government trying to keep it quiet or whatnot, but there was a story of or a video, dash cam video of a 45-year-old is what the comments were saying, who was running from GSP, and not even like 30 seconds into the chase, dude clips an F-150 mirror, gets launched to the left into like a post office parking lot. And nobody knows how exactly it happened. There's a bunch of parking poles inside of the inside of that parking lot in the post office, but he actually decapitated himself. What I'm trying to get at here is stop running. It's really not worth it. And I'm not talking about like the people that are wanted for something crazy. Like, I mean, obviously they're probably gonna run either way, but I'm saying for the average Joe that just wants to run for the Instagram clout, like that's, it's not worth it. For the average Joe that just wants to run from the law just for some clout, I just don't understand it. Who was honking their shit at me, bro? Then shit like that happens. And what's even crazier or scarier about it is, dude probably didn't even know what hit him. I mean, of course, may he rest in peace, but it just ain't worth it. And I think that's what it is with social media today. And I can't even like talk shit too much, because I mean, I get it. Like, I mean, I do YouTube, I do TikTok, I get it. You want to be the next best YouTuber, whatever it is, I get it. Really, it just ain't worth it. There's other ways to go about, you know, gaining a following, and it doesn't have to always be involving the police. Now, I understand there's going to be somebody in the comments and be like, oh, you're on a 650, you can't talk. Once you get a 1000, you'll understand. But honestly, I won't. I understand having fun, cutting up, and you know, going a little fast there, but when it comes to being pulled over, take the L. Take the fucking L. It is hot out here today in downtown Cleveland. I just tightened my chain, so everything's feeling nice and tight. Down to the pier real quick, see what's popping off. If you guys don't know or are not from Cleveland, the pier is a very popular spot to meet up at. But yeah, a little sidebar real quick. I mean, they got these nice little ferry boats and stuff. I mean, the pier is low-key kind of dope. Like, people think of Cleveland as just like some, you know, shittier version of any other metropolitan area, but it's actually not that bad. Ooh, she ain't gonna make that, bro. She is not gonna make that parking spot. Dude, they are oh my god. She's gonna hit somebody. She's gonna hit a car. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn, I didn't charge my phone, y'all. Dude, my phone's on like 12%. If you don't know, this is Lake Erie. That is what Cleveland is on. Can be a little nasty, not gonna lie. But you know, we got this nice huge lake, and if you get some binoculars and look really far out on a nice clear day, you can actually see pretty much the coastline of Canada if you really looked hard enough. Everybody, so another reason I'm bringing this up is there was some recent controversy down here in Cleveland, and this spot might look familiar to some of you if you watch other YouTubers that are more known in my area. There's also with the Cuyahoga County Sheriff, that's the county that Cleveland is in Ohio. They had something called the Downtown Safety Patrol, and basically the Cleveland police, like the actual city of Cleveland police, have essentially a no chase policy at the moment. However, the county sheriff, which Cleveland is in that county, they don't. So they had something called the Downtown Safety Patrol, and they would chase also to the wheels fall off, just like GSP, man, no matter what. Ended up actually killing 2 pedestrians, some of the sheriffs, and it's been a whole controversy in our area right now. Basically people trying to get them to stop. Look at that, dude, that looks so refreshing right now, dude. It's kind of hot right now. It's October and it's still hot. Going crazy in the jet skis. And I understand in that case that was the sheriffs, you know, not, you know, being a little bit more cautious chasing through a populated city, but it's just, it ain't worth it, y'all. Don't run. Big situation, they were chasing a car, so I mean, different, not a bike, but just in a general sense, I mean, it ain't worth it to run. I understand some caveats, like 3 a.m. open highway, not a single soul around, and you're doing your thing, you know. I'm not a lawyer, of course, so this ain't legal advice, but you know, you do you. But I'm gonna go ahead and head out of here real quick. I'm gonna keep talking, y'all, so head out of here before my phone dies, because I do not have a charger on me, and I really do not want to be stuck, stranded without a cell phone. People from Indiana here. Yeah, people from Michigan. Yeah, people from New York, Pennsylvania. A lot of people come here to visit, which is something that a lot of people don't know. I mean, rock and roll Hall of Fame. Right now we're over by the flats. Yeah, buddy, that's gonna be it for today's video. Again, bottom line, it just ain't smart, y'all. Don't run. You guys enjoyed my also hopefully you all enjoyed my little cruise around Cleveland. If you want more videos of me cruise around Cleveland, let me know in the comments down below. I'm about to go ahead and hop on the I-90, get to 71, head home, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.